To remove and install the battery on your RZR XP Turbo, follow these steps. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface. Place the vehicle in park. Turn the key switch off and remove the key. Remove the driver's seat by pulling up on the seat lever and pivoting forward. Remove the black negative battery cable fastener and set aside. Caution: the negative battery cable must be removed first to prevent arcing. Then remove the red positive battery cable fastener and set the cable aside. Cut the panduit strap retaining the battery cables to the hold-down clamp. Remove the battery hold-down fastener. Twist the battery hold-down clamp and lift up to remove. Lift the battery out of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged. Caution: using a new battery that has not been fully charged can damage the battery and result in a shorter life. It can also hinder vehicle performance. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of the owner's manual before installing the battery. Ensure the battery is clean and free of debris. Refer to the maintenance video on the Help Center website for proper cleaning and maintenance techniques. Reinstall the battery into the battery holder. Install the battery hold-down bracket and fastener. Torque to specification. Install a new panduit strap into the battery cable holder and tighten down over the white tape on the cable. Install the red positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Install the black negative cable last and torque to specification. Verify the battery cables are tightened securely. Coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. Tip: when the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down on the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.